Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to create these types of polls or votes in your WhatsApp app. Okay, let's begin. First open WhatsApp app. Then open the group or contact where you want to send the poll. Suppose I want to send poll to this group. Then click here. Then click poll option. You can add any question or anything here. I am entering one question. You can give many options. I am just giving 4 options. Okay, now once you completed the question and entered all the options, just click here to send the question to the group or anyone you want to send. When someone answered the question, you can check it from here, who is answering the right answer or who is choosing the right option. That's it. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.